Hello and welcome to my system.io tutorial for beginners video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a lead generation landing page with system.io platform to capture the name and email address of your audience. And after that, I will show you how to redirect them to a thank you page after getting their name and email address. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to create an email automation and connect this email automation to this landing page so that whenever anyone will give us their name and email address using this landing page, then we will send them the automated email. Like one email will go to your subscriber inbox one by one every single day. Okay, so this is all we are going to do in this particular system.io tutorial video. So watch this video till the end. By the way, if you want system.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail, then special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. And suppose if you want to purchase any of the system.io paid plan, and if you are looking for discount, then I have shared 3 special affiliate links in the video description that will help you to get discount on system.io startup plan, webinar plan and unlimited plan. So if you are looking for discount, then that links are also in the video description. Just go and check it out. So without any further delay, let's start this system.io tutorial video. And first we are gonna create this lead generation page and thank you page. Okay, so to create a lead generation landing page, all you need to do is just go to this sites tab, and from here you just need to click on this sales funnel option. When you will click on it, then it will show you a dashboard like this. From here you need to click on plus create button, and here you can give your funnel any name. Like it is a lead generation funnel, so I am going to write lead generation funnel, or you can write anything you want. Okay, and after that you can select your goal from here. So obviously we want to build an audience, that is we want to capture the name and email address of our audience. So I'm gonna select build an audience option, and also from here you can select the currency, but we are not gonna sell anything in this page, so you can skip this step and you can click on save button. And after clicking on save, as you can see, lead generation funnel has created successfully. Just click on this link, and here as you can see, it has automatically created 2 pages, that is opt-in page and thank you page. So this is exactly the same page that we want to create, that is lead generation page, that is opt-in page and thank you page. So by default it has created 2 steps for us, and suppose if you want to add additional step after this, then you can add any step using this menu. Okay, so first we want to design our opt-in page. So for this you need to click on this opt-in page button, and from here you can select any template according to your requirements. So there are lots of templates available. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of templates available, so you can select any landing page according to your requirement, but I'm looking for a simple landing page because simple landing page converts better. So let me quickly find, and after that I will come back to this video. So as you can see, this particular template is looking very good, so I'm gonna select this particular one, and after that you can change the name and URL path using this field. So let's say I want to give any free ebook in this particular landing page in return of my audience name and email address. So I can write free ebook here. Okay, so you can write anything you want, and after that just click on edit page button. When you will click on it, then it will open a new window like this. From here, as you can see, this is the landing page which I have selected, and as you can see, there are lots of unnecessary things in this particular landing page. So I'm gonna delete everything in this page because I want a simple heading, a little bit of description, and this form field and this image only in this particular landing page, because if there will be lots of elements in this page, then it will confuse my audience and it will hurt my conversion rate. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to delete this menu section. So to select a section, just hover over the element. If it is green, then it means that entire section has selected. Okay, so as you can see, this menu section has selected successfully, so I will click on delete button to delete it. Okay, like this, and similarly I'm gonna delete all the elements which is showing here. Okay, so now let me show you how to edit the landing page using system.io drag and drop editor. So as you can see in the left side, there are showing lots of element here. So if you want to drag and drop any element here, then you can simply drag and drop here. As you can see, suppose if you want video element just after this particular section, so you can drag and drop video element here like this. Okay, as you can see, in this way you can drag and drop any element in system.io landing page, as you can see, and it is very easy to customize the text. If you want to edit it, then just select it, delete it and write whatever you want. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the image element here, so all you need to do is just click on this image element. Whenever you will click on any element, then you will get setting of that element in the left side. From here you can increase and decrease the size of the image, as you can see, and also you can change the image by clicking on this upload button, and you can upload any file from your computer and you can change this particular image, okay, like this. And suppose if you want to customize the text, then you can select it, and as I already mentioned, whenever you will select any element, then you will get setting of that element in the left side. From here you can increase and decrease the font size if you want, and also you can change the letter spacing, as you can see. So you can do whatever you want using this option, okay. And suppose if you want to add spacing between two elements, then you can select the element, and here if you will scroll down, then as you can see there is margin section. You can add margin like this. As you can see, you can increase and decrease the spacing between elements like this. So it is very easy to use system.io drag and drop builder. So now let me change this title. Let's say I am providing any weight loss type of PDF in this particular page in return of my audience name and email address. Then what I can do, I can simply write my title here. So let's say my title is get 30-day challenge book to lose weight without exercise, and here you can write anything like provide your best email address to get access to this ebook, okay, something like this. And from here if you want to change the button text, then as I already mentioned, you just need to click it, and whenever you will click on any element, you will get setting of that element in the left side. From here you can change the button text from download now to let's write something like yes, send it. Okay, so you can write whatever you want, okay, as you can see, and you can also change this particular image. So in this way you can design your opt-in page, and after doing all the changes, all you need to do is just click on this save button, and let's click on exit. So our lead generation page is ready. Now we are going to design our thank you page. So to design our thank you page, all you need to do is just click on this thank you page template. From here you can select any template according to your requirement. So let's say this particular template is looking good, so I'm going to select this particular template, and from here as you can see, you can change the name of this thank you page and URL if you want, and you can click on edit page, and from here you can edit the element if you want. Okay, suppose if you have designed your ebook mockup, then you can upload it here. Just click on this image element, you can click on upload button, and you can upload the PDF file image from your computer. Okay, and here as you can see, thank you for signing up, only 3 steps and you are done. Check your inbox, open the email and click on the link. Okay, as you can see, so in this way you can design your thank you page as well. And suppose if you want to add additional element in this particular page, then same as previous, you can add additional element using this drag and drop editor like this. Okay, as you can see, and after designing your thank you page, just click on save button, and let's click on exit. So now we have created lead generation page and thank you page. Next thing which is remaining here is that we need to write some automated email, and we need to connect this email automation with this particular landing page. Okay, so to write some automated email, you need to go to this email tab and just click on campaigns option. From here you just need to create a new campaign. Let me create a new campaign, and let's say my campaign name is lead generation landing page campaign. Okay, and from here you can select your email address, and after that you can write a little bit of description if you want, and let's click on save button. So as you can see, lead generation landing page campaign has created successfully. So here we are gonna write some 2 to 3 emails that we want to send in automation. Like one email should go to my subscriber inbox one by one every single day. Okay, so to create our first email, we need to click on this create button, and let's write my first email. Let's say my first email subject line is first email, so you should write your email subject line here. I'm writing first email, second email like this, so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay, and after that let's write sender name. It is obviously my name, Sumit Saw, and after that you can select your sender email address. And here as you can see, there are 2 different options, visual editor and classic editor. So I will recommend you to use the classic editor, and let's click on save button. And here you can write your first email subject line. You can write the preview text which will appear just below your email subject line in your subscribers inbox. Okay, so if you want to write some preview line, then you can write it here, or you can skip it, and after that you can write your email here. You can write your first email here. Okay, and suppose if you want to personalize your email address, like you want to write your subscriber name here, then what you can do, you can select the personalization shortcode from here. So let's say you want to write first name, then you can copy this code and you can paste it here like hey first name like this. Okay, so it will replace this first name with your subscriber's first name like this. Okay, I hope you got it, and you can change the color to black again. Okay, like this, and let's click on save button, and after that click on save and publish button. When you will click on it, then it will ask you this email will be sent after. So obviously it is first email, so we don't need to select anything from here. Okay, and after that delay before sending email. In first email you need to select it 0 because we want to send the first email immediately. Okay, so whenever anyone will give us their name and email address using our opt-in page, then we want to send them the first email immediately. So that's why delay is 0 days, and after that click on activate button, and let's click on exit. So as you can see, first email is ready. In similar way we will create our second email. Just click on create button, write your second email subject line here, and sender name is obviously it's my name, and let's again click on classic editor and let's click on save. You can write your second email copy here, and after that just click on save and publish button. Okay, we want to send second email after our first email, so that's why we will select first email from here. It means that we want to send the second email after our first email, and delay is 1 day. Why I have selected 1 day? Because after sending our first email we want to send the second email after 1 day. Okay, so that's why delay is 1 day. I hope you got it. Let's click on activate. So our second email is also ready, and let's click on create button again, and this is our third email subject line. Sender name is again it's my name, Sumit Saw, and let's select classic editor. So you should write your third email copy here, and after that click on save and publish button, and from here we will select the second email because we want to send the third email after our second email. Okay, so that's why I have selected second email here, and delay is 1 day again because we want to send the third email after our second email, and delay between these two email is 1 day. Okay, so if anyone has received our second email today, then they will receive our third email tomorrow. Okay, I hope you got it. Let's click on activate and let's click on exit. Okay, so what we have done so far, we have created this lead generation landing page, we have created thank you page, we have created this email automation series, okay, in which we have written 3 emails. The only thing which is remaining here that we have not connected this email series with our lead generation opt-in page. Okay, so to connect this, what we need to do, we need to go to sites, we need to go to sales funnel, and I hope you remember we have just created this lead generation funnel. Just open it, and from here you just need to select opt-in page, not thank you page. You need to select this opt-in page from here, and after that click on automation rule and just click on this add rule button, and from here click on plus trigger, click on funnel step form subscribe, and from here you need to click on action. So it means that whenever anyone will subscribe to our opt-in page, then what action we want to perform, we want to add them in our email campaign. And what is our email campaign name? Lead generation landing page campaign. Okay, so this is our email campaign name that we have just created. I hope you remember. So from action tab just click on plus and click on subscribe to a campaign. And what is our campaign name that we have just created? Campaign name is lead generation landing page campaign. So just select it, and after that click on save rule button. Okay, so now we have successfully connected our lead generation page, that is opt-in page, with this email automation. Okay, so everything is connected successfully. So let me give you a demo. So let's go to again sites, sales funnel, and this is the funnel that we have just created. Let's click on it, and after that, as you can see, this is our opt-in page URL. You can copy it and you can share it with your audience. So let me open the incognito tab and let me open this opt-in page URL, and let me click on enter, and as you can see, this is the landing page, that is opt-in page, that we have designed. Here let me enter my email address. So for demo purpose I'm going to write this particular email, sumitsao@gmail.com, and let's click on yes, send it. If I will click on it, then it will redirect us to thank you page. Okay, so in this way you can create a lead generation funnel, you can create thank you page, you can create email automation, and you can connect this email automation with your opt-in page, that is lead generation page. So I hope now you understood how to use system.io platform to create lead generation type of funnel, and how to create email automation, and how to connect email automation with your opt-in page. So even after watching this system.io tutorial for beginners video, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this system.io tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.